welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be continuing the balcony that I started like 2 months ago. This is the balcony that I've been talking about. I'll install it here. The legs that I've been talking about will be here. So I'm gonna cut these. I'm gonna weld these holes because it looks better that way. I'm covering the holes as you saw in the video. I don't think I should be doing this because it's wasting my time and I barely have time. I don't know, but I almost finished it, so I think I'm gonna continue. Check this out, guys. Check this out. I have to finish that project today because then it's taking me so long. Then I'll have to find someone to come with me and help me because I'll not be able to do it alone. So I've just finished preparing the legs. Now I'm gonna go on a break, then go to the customer's house, install the balcony, get paid. We're here at the customer's house. Let's get it, guys. So I've just finished welding the legs. Now we're gonna flip it and drill holes to the wall and see what happens. I made holes to the wall, and I think that's it for today. I'm gonna come back tomorrow because it's getting late now. This is how it's gonna be tomorrow. I drilled holes. I'm gonna connect them tomorrow, then repaint it again, paint the legs, and that's it. I thought we were going to finish it, but we didn't, as usual. I'll continue it tomorrow morning. I'll paint it, then I'm looking forward to install it. I have other things tomorrow too, and yeah, it's gonna be exciting. See you in the next video.